Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome to another weekly B-Boy tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys the long-awaited combo series episode number 9. And like always, before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will know. For this combo series, you need to master the knee intro, the CC, and also one of my newest tutorial, the grab tunnel floor rocks. If you haven't mastered all of that, I'm gonna put the link on the description below. Step 1, we're gonna start from the knee intro to the CC. From the knee intro to the CC is quite straightforward and simple. And then after you do the CC, now it's time to put all your body weight to the ground. It's more like a sitting down to the ground. Now, when you're sitting down, make sure you keep your left leg straight and bend your right leg like what I did here, alright? You can also call this a jet split. Now from here, I'm gonna whip my right leg to the left side. It's more like I'm gonna do a back spin, okay? And then I'm gonna slowly place my body to the ground as well. Now after the whip, you're going to grab your right foot with your right hand, okay? Now we're gonna do the grab tunnel floor rocks. So that's why you need to master the grab tunnel floor rocks before you try this out. Inward and freeze. Now here's the bonus part. After reaching these positions, I'm going to show you guys a few things that you can do. The first one, you can grab your left foot and then do a thread. Now second thing you can do is swing your left hand to the left side, follow with your right hand. By doing that, you move all your body weight to the left side. Okay, so you can continue with your floor rocks or even just pose. Now for the third combination, you can move from your left shoulder and pass it to your right shoulder. So there you go guys, combo series number 9. Thank you so much for the support, and this series has been so successful that I already list out from the combo series number 1 to the combo series number 8. You can check out by clicking here, I think. Yeah. Alright. So that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time.